Dil Mil is a dating app that caters to South Asian singles. Its founder, KJ Dhaliwal, founded the app after he saw that his friends and family were struggling to find romantic partners. KJ makes up part of the more than 30 million Indian diaspora around the world. He knew how difficult it was to find someone that shared his values and understood his culture while living as an expat in the UK. So, he decided to bring the single South Asian community together by creating Dil Mil. Dil Mil is quickly becoming one of the most used apps for those of South Asian descent, although it is mostly used by Indians. In this video, we'll dive into its features, price, number of users, and other important information that will help you decide whether you should download it or not. What is Dil Mil? Dil Mil is a dating app targeting singles of South Asian descent no longer living in South Asia. The only South Asian country where you can use Dil Mil is India, but this is a rather new development. Most users are of Indian descent. However, the app is welcome to users of all backgrounds, South Asian or otherwise. The app was released about 5 years ago and is still slowly gaining users. While Dil Mil can be used for casual dating purposes, the app encourages strong, fulfilling, and meaningful relationships. You can see this in the many ways it allows users to customize their profiles. Signing up. Dil Mil is a niche app that clearly understands its audience. During the sign-up process, you're asked to provide certain information unique to the South Asian community. Apart from providing the basics such as age, location, and professional background, you're also asked to provide information on your community. Your chosen community will pop up in your profile. You're also able to filter singles via community if you're using the paid version of Dil Mil. After you choose your community, you're asked rapid-fire questions. Be careful how you respond. Your choices will be posted in your profile. However, they can't be used to filter users. Next, you'll be asked to choose 3 personality traits. Dil Mil offers dozens of options for you to choose from, some of them being specific to the South Asian culture. These traits include cricket fan, Garba, Ross. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Initially, you can only choose 3. However, after creating your profile, you're able to choose up to 18 traits. I recommend choosing no more than 10. Choosing 18 takes up a lot of space in your profile that users will scroll past anyway. Best to choose only your top 3 to 5 features so they pop out. Next, you're asked to upload up to 6 photos. Photos must clearly show your face. Dil Mil doesn't allow users to upload photos where they use glasses, hats, or other accessories that might obscure their face. Should you desire, you can also fill out a brief bio, respond to prompts, and record a brief message. Some prompts include, I nerd out on, never have I ever. My most useless skill is, what I'm looking for in my jalebi baby. I'll treat you like biryani instead of plain rice if. On mental health day, Dil Mil cost. After filling out my profile, I was presented with a screen below. Although Dil Mil claims the app is free, upon completing my profile, I was not presented with a free option. It appeared as though the only way to use the app was to pay for it. The pricing tiers are as follows: $59.99 for 1 month, $33.33 a month for 3 months, $21.67 a month for 6 months. Again, Dil Mil says that it offers a free version. However, it has decreased functionality. For example, matches are not instantaneous via the free app. The free version is set up in such a way that it teases you into paying for the VIP Elite membership. Its lack of capabilities means it's almost useless as a free version. Compared to other apps, the Dil Mil cost is substantially higher than apps like Tinder and Bumble. How it works. Dil Mil works like Bumble and Tinder. You're shown a bunch of profiles and are asked to swipe right for a like and left for a pass. Once you have a match, you will be notified and you can start to chat. However, there are some other unique ways you can get in touch with the lovely singles found on Dil Mil. Dil Mil Features. Dil Mil has a ton of unique features that set it apart from other apps. The coolest feature might just be Mil and Chill. It's a live chat option welcome to all users. I'm assuming restricted by area, but I could be wrong. Here, people are welcome to chat about whatever they want. There are also conversation-specific groups. Other Mil and Chill groups include Guys Only, Something Real, Foodies, Brown People Problems, New Dillers. The coolest thing about this feature is that sure, you can talk to people you have yet to match with and feel a part of a community, but even more so, you can click on anyone's profile and choose to like them. This group chat feature can't be found on any other major dating apps. To be fair, most group chats aren't very deep or active, but it still gives you a chance to learn a little bit more about someone prior to swiping left or right on their profile. This feature builds community and is a decent way to meet people quickly. Dil Mil also has an elite pics section for paying users. Elite pics are full of women the app deems to be highly desirable. It refreshes every 24 hours. You're able to swipe right on as many users as you're interested in. Never before have I seen an app that allows you to filter users based on where they were raised or their religion. The raised in filter allows you to choose to only connect with users who are raised in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, or India. The religion category covers a broad range of religions. Users can swipe right on everyone from Sikhs and Jains to Parsis and Christians. Like Tinder and Bumble, you can send super likes and boosts. Super likes indicate that you're super into someone and makes you 3 times more likely to match versus the normal like, according to the app. A boost will allow you to skip the line so that your profile is at the top of the queue for an hour. Dil Mil Curiosities. Dil Mil is clearly trying to innovate. Not only is it designed with South Asian singles in mind, but it has some fairly interesting features and quirks that are worth pointing out. Are these nuances a plus? I'll let you decide. If you scroll down on someone's profile, you'll be provided with a mouthful of information. Some info is expected, such as one's love language, diet, drinking habits, and other lifestyle details. An oddball feature I do, however, love is Dil Details. Here you'll find the dating stats you wish you had access to on Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge. You'll have access to likes received, where you're most popular, the sign that swipes right on you the most often, profile optimization recommendations, the average age of people that like you, super likes received, request received, and anyone that has ever used a dating app has wanted to quantify their success. Dil Mil does that for you with Dil Details. Dil Mil number of users. It's always difficult to pin down just how many users a dating app has. Here's what we found with Dil Mil. Dil Mil claims to have over 2 million users worldwide. This claim is semi-backed up if we look at how many times it's been downloaded on Google Play, over 1 million downloads. It's been downloaded over 11,000 times in the Apple Store. Dil Mil Search Filters. Despite having a ton of users, Dil Mil has one major flaw. It doesn't allow you to choose to search for users who live within a set distance from you. For example, if I want to search for people based on geographic area, these are my options. Unlike Tinder, for example, you can't search for users that are within X number of miles from you. This leads users to match with people that live hundreds, if not thousands of miles away, ultimately wasting everyone's time. That being said, if you live in a city with a large population of South Asians, such as San Francisco or New York City, this may not be a problem for you. Also, if you're willing to relocate to be with a partner, this may not be a problem for you either. Is Dil Mil worth it? Yes and no. It all depends on what you're looking for. If you only want to date South Asian women from specific backgrounds, then it sounds like Dil Mil is worth a shot. But remember that Dil Mil is only popular within major cities. If you're not located in a city or area with a large South Asian population, you will only match with users from other countries or states. It all depends on what you're looking for in a partner and what you're willing to sacrifice to be with them. My suggestion is not wholly to rely on any one dating app. If dating a woman of South Asian descent is important to you, for sure, download Dil Mil, but it shouldn't be the only dating app on your phone. There are also plenty of women who satisfy your criteria on apps like Tinder and Bumble. The sheer number of users on these apps make them must downloads. You may also consider downloading Hinge, which also allows you to filter users via ethnicity. Hinge even allows users to search for singles of South Asian or Southeast Asian ethnicities. Dating Decoded. It's tough meeting women on apps like Dil Mil and in person. At MLovz, we teach our students the shortcut to finding their ideal match by mega dating. Mega dating is our dating philosophy, and it shapes everything we teach here at MLovz. Simply put, mega dating is dating prolifically, with a specific goal of going on 20 dates in 90 days. This will give you ample women to compare and contrast, so you can refine not only your dating skills, but also who your ideal partner is. To teach you how to quickly find highly compatible women in just weeks and become the most eligible bachelor in town, you'll team up with romantic experts, each skilled in their own unique area to support you. Our team. There's me, head coach, co-founder, curriculum developer, and I host 2 coaching sessions every week. Thomas, co-founder and coach, he'll lead the bi-weekly Man Cave event where men come together to talk dating, bond with one another, and support other single men. Kat, Brooke, and Audrey are mock date specialists. Go on a practice date with them and receive feedback before your next date. Haley is your new stylist. She's worked with celebs from every industry and is now about to raid your closet. Tilly is our holistic sex and intimacy coach. She'll help you get the most out of your sex life so you and your partner are happier between the sheets. Andrea is an award-winning fitness coach. Are you ready to eat right and build muscle? Mia is our social media expert. Revamp your Facebook and Instagram profiles with her help and start meeting women online. And look, we realize that the single life can be difficult. If accepted into our coaching program, Dating Decoded, you'd be joining a community of supportive men and coaches who are there to listen, support, and encourage you as you navigate the single life. Our program offers every student a lifetime membership, as if you'll need it. So the support won't stop until you've found your ideal partner. If you're ready to find your forever partner, book a Zoom session with our team today. Together, we'll talk about your dating history, your goals, and show you how our program, Dating Decoded, can help you find your ideal partner. That wraps up this video, guys. If you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a comment in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.